It was a rainy afternoon. Tom, a 15-year-old boy, was walking home from school. He usually took the same street every day, but today he decided to go through a small alley. The rain was heavy and the alley was shorter. While walking, he noticed something shiny on the ground. He stopped and picked it up. It was an old key. The key was silver but a little rusty. It looked very old, with strange letters on it. Tom whispered, "What does this key open?" He looked around but saw no lock or door nearby. He put the key in his pocket and continued walking. At home, he showed it to his sister, Anna. "Look what I found today," Tom said, holding up the key. Anna's eyes grew wide. "Wow, it looks mysterious. Maybe it belongs to a treasure chest." Tom laughed. "Or maybe it opens a secret door." They spent the evening imagining what the key could open, but Tom couldn't stop thinking about it. The strange letters made him curious. The next day, Tom took the key to school. During lunch, he showed it to his best friend, Mark. Mark said, "There's an old library near the park. People say there is a locked door in the basement. Maybe your key fits there." Tom was excited. "Let's check it out after school." When school ended, Tom, Anna, and Mark went to the old library. The building was tall and quiet. They went inside and the smell of old books filled the air. A friendly librarian smiled at them. "Can I help you?" she asked. Tom quickly replied, "We are just looking around." They walked down the stairs to the basement. It was dark and cold. At the end of the hall, they found a wooden door with a rusty lock. Tom's heart beat fast. He pulled out the key. "Do you think this is it?" he whispered. Anna nodded. "Try it." Tom carefully put the key into the lock. At first, it didn't move. Then, with a small click, the lock opened. The door slowly creaked open. Inside, they saw a small, hidden room. There were shelves full of old books, maps, and boxes. A lamp stood on a table, covered in dust. Anna gasped. "This is like a secret library." Mark picked up a map. "Look at this. It shows the town, but it looks very old." Tom opened one of the boxes. Inside were letters, written with beautiful handwriting. "These are from more than 100 years ago," he said. Suddenly they heard footsteps upstairs. The librarian's voice echoed, "Is someone in the basement?" The three friends looked at each other. Tom whispered, "Quick, let's hide the key." He put it back in his pocket. The librarian came down slowly. She opened the door and looked inside. To their surprise, she didn't look angry. Instead, she smiled softly. "You found the old room," she said. "Not many people know about it." Tom asked, "What is this place?" The librarian explained, "It is a secret archive. It holds the history of our town." "That key has been missing for years," Anna asked. "Can we read the books?" The librarian nodded. "Yes, but you must be careful. These books are very old." The three friends spent the rest of the afternoon exploring the secret room. They read letters, studied maps, and felt like real explorers. When they finally left the library, the rain had stopped. Tom held the key tightly in his hand. He smiled and said, "This was the best adventure ever." "I can't wait to come back," Anna and Mark agreed. The mysterious key had opened not just a door, but a whole new world of stories waiting for them.